want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Peace and love, world. Peace and love. You're now rocking to the sounds and vibrations of your boy Malik Kilam, also known as DonKilam.com. And I'm bringing the great news as always. Prosperity is your birthright because the truth never changes. Anything else is falsehood. So know thyself and lead yourself to a road of prosperity with DonKilam.com now. It's important to get out in nature, to become calibrated with nature so you can learn your true nature. Your true nature outside this corporate world. This corporate world is man-made and used to strip you of your natural rights, your true divinity. Get back to your divine self by going to DonKilam.com now and learning who you are, because prosperity is truly your birthright and will show you the steps and the way to get back to your true divinity.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave.
Peace and love, world. Peace and love. Prosperity is your birthright. The truth never changes. You have to know what your true job is. What fulfills your spirit. What increases your knowledge in your mind, because knowledge is power. God gave us a will, and that will is to learn. And then we hand off this knowledge to others. True love of self is what's going to fulfill your spirits. When you wake up and smile every day, that's your true job, because it's making you smile, because your true job is you. Start doing the inner work on you, on your spirit and your mind. What brings you love? What brings you peace? What brings you happiness? It's not just physical, okay? Quit working for paper and thinking that's going to bring us happiness. I do this for y'all.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
So I'm asking you today, what's your true job? What's your true purpose in life? Look yourself in the eye and say this to yourself. Ask yourself these questions, because the word utter and the word outer have the same root meaning. So what you utter becomes outer around you. So we always speak forth our prosperity. So if we can conceive a question, we will attract the answer to us, because we're true creators in life. We have a relationship with the Most High, but we have to sit down and get in tune and learn that language. We have to learn the language with the universe. We have to learn that language with the Creator, and we have to learn that language with our inner self. This is what we teach you at DonKilam.com. DonKilam.com.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave.
Sometimes the truths can be sad, but all you have to do is switch your position, switch your perception. If they're men just like you are, if they're a woman just like you are, they bleed just like you bleed, that means you can get into positions that they're in positions of. It just starts with knowledge. Knowledge makes a person unfit to be a slave. Knowledge is power, and it starts by knowing thyself, because everything truly comes from nature. Everything was created from nature. We came from the dirt. So learn how to truly get calibrated with yourself, learn how to align your energy properly, and learn how to create a successful business. And it starts by serving humanity and serving yourself. Much peace and love, much peace and love, much peace and love. Peace and love, world, peace and love. You're now rocking to the sounds and vibrations of your boy Malik Kilam, also known as DonKilam.com. I'm just letting you know that prosperity is your birthright. Go to DonKilam.com now and see what all the hype's about. Also go to the Facebook group, Prosperity is My Birthright, for more tips and ways and to stay connected with DonKilam.com. You can also email me at MalikKilam@DonKilam.com. And I'm just bringing the great news. We have new packages on the way. You can order directly on the DonKilam.com website. You can also reach me on my cell directly at 407-274-5161. If you go to the website, you can also reach Chifa and Newell. We're coming to a city near you. Be on the lookout. We're scheduling a whole nother tour. We're coming to Texas. We're coming to the Midwest. We're coming to Florida. We're coming down south. We're already on the West Coast, baby. Great California. Go to DonKilam.com now. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss what all the hype's about. Prosperity is your birthright. Learn how to be a rising star. Learn how to be an emperor or empress in commerce. Learn how to have that presidential status. Prosperity is your birthright. It just starts with knowing who you are. Know who you are. DonKilam.com. Peace and love, peace and love. You're now rocking to the sounds and vibrations of your boy Malik Kilam, also known as DonKilam.com. Prosperity is your birthright. You already know. Look at the view. I'm just posted, getting in tune with nature, that real sovereign way of life, you know. I be posting on the beach doing work, paperwork, talking to people, taking calls. It's prosperity is my birthright. This is what life is about. Doing what you want when you want and living off the land and providing for humanity and uplifting the people. That's what true sovereign's about. It starts with your way of thinking. This is what I do, you know? If you haven't read this book, check it out, The Secret. It's mine. It will really change your mind and shift your paradigm. And also check this book out. These are good books. And get in tune with nature. That's what life's about. But I'm gonna smoke this, man. Get back to doing me. Much peace and love. Prosperity is the birthright. Learn more at DonKilam.com. Go to DonKilam.com. Just know that prosperity is your birthright. You can also reach me on my cell directly at 407-274-5161. I'm gonna get back to reading my book and make it do what it do with it, man. You can live a life just like me, man, doing what you want, whenever you want, escaping from the reality, you know, the fiction world, and creating your own reality. This is how you do it with visualization, just getting in tune with nature. Much peace and love. Peace and love, world, peace and love. You're now rocking to the sounds and vibrations of your boy Malik Kilam, also known as DonKilam.com. I'm still out here on the beach, man. I'm about to roll up, man. So, you know, prosperity is your birthright, man. You gotta know, man. Much peace and love. Just checking in with y'all, man. Let's see if I can get a view for y'all outside. I'm gonna finish rolling up, man. Much peace and love.